Steve Guy here. How you doing? Oh, this is Steve Guy. Steve Guy. I play guitars. What I do? I'm a guitar player. My name rhymes with that other guy named Steve. Steve Vai, Steve Guy. Yeah, that's me. But you know what? I want to go to a car show. I want to go to a car show. I want to check out the show. I want to see what the car show's all about. I was thinking of bringing one of my cars to that car show. We're going to call this car show because I think the car show's rigged is what I think. I think it's a rigged situation. We're going to go ahead and call the car show. We're going to see what's really going on.
Oh, God, that's a good horsey.
They're singing.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm calling about that car show y'all gonna have up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's going on with that? What's up with it? How much is it to get in there?
To register your car, $20. Free for the spectators.
Okay, well, look, can I ask you a question? Because I've been getting a lot of mixed situations on this, and a lot of people are telling me it's not worth traveling all that way. I'm going to be traveling about maybe 287 miles with my vehicle, and they're saying that that's a rigged car show. Is that true?
We usually have a crowd of 120 cars or so.
But they're saying that I've got mixed conversations. They're saying that the car show is rigged. That the trophies go to friends and family. They don't really go out to the people that really deserve them. Is that true?
I don't think so.
What kind of voting do you guys do over there? Is that participation voting, or do you guys got your own people that vote for them?
Steve Guy right here. Let's do this. Let's get the camera. I'm going to watch what I'm going to do now. Watch it. Did you see that? Did you see that right there?
Well, we've done it both ways. If people are bitching that much, we have people vote again.
Because I had 4 or 5 people say, don't travel to that car show. Don't go. It's a rigged car show. It's not worth going to. And it's just a big joke. Why are they telling me this?
Well, I don't know what their opinion is. If they're sorry that they're coward because they didn't get a fucking trophy.
Right. But
You can't have that tote, but for Patreon, I'll give it to you. Yes, I will.
Well, I got one guy. He's got a beautiful rat rod. It's just a hell of a situation. He said that he's been there 3 years, and that one guy got a trophy every year. Said one guy got the same. Actually, he said the second year he was there were 3 people that got the same trophies. That's what he said. He said that's what he said. And then those other 3 guys that I was, rambling on with, they were saying the same thing. They said that it's just not really worth going, spending all that money going there.
Yeah, well, that's up to you, man.
How many trophies are you giving away over there?
These star shows too, if someone's car's better than the other.
Right, but how many? What kind of trophies are you giving away? Is this a rat rod show only, just for rat rods, or what kind of cars can you put in there?
No, we've got. I think we've only got like 1 rat rod trophy. So the rest are like muscle car, 50s, 60s, in progress. That's the show. We end up with good 20 or more trophies.
Right. Have you ever been to that car show over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a rigged car show right there. That one's rigged.
Yeah.
Well, there's a guy over there. There's a guy there that he has that is what he got. And they said that guy that's won those trophies 2 or 3 years in a row, same guy, said that he goes up there to that car show. The one you got, he goes to that car show and he wins the trophy all the time.
Yeah, he took that same course that won best show last year, and this year won best Corvette.
That's what I'm talking about, buddy.
Best Corvette and fucking good.
But that's bullshit. There was other cars there that was better than his. There was a red. There was a red one there that had beautiful flame jobs, beautiful flame, that made his look like a piece of shit.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's what you're gonna get on my channel.
And you're telling me that he got Corvette of the Year?
I don't know, man. That ain't none of my business.
I mean, let's really talk about it here. You know, are they going to give a trophy out for the best AMX car or possibly the best Yugo of the year? Why does it have to be a Corvette of the year? What's so special about that? There's only 2 or 3 Corvettes that even show up at that show. How you doing, buddy? My name's Steve Guy.
Oh yeah. Oh.
I play guitar. Do you need any guitar players up there? I'm a guitar player guy. That's what I do. I'm a guitar player.
Yeah, they're trying to figure out the band, but one we have sounds like they're flopping out. So.
Well, you know, my name rhymes. My name is... Well, my name's Steve Guy. It rhymes with Steve Vai. I don't know if you ever heard of that guy. But if you need a guitar player, I can bring one of my guitars with me, and I'll be glad to play the guitar for you.
Yeah, that's up to you, man. Well,
but the deal is, partner... Yeah, the real deal is that there's a lot of slack going on, a lot of slap jobs going on, saying that the car show up there's rigged.
Well, they can take it as they may, and if they're going to a car show just for an award, they're probably some lame fuckers anyway.
Right. That's what I told him. I said, well, if you just go to a car show just so you can win a trophy, that's bullshit anyway. And he said, that's not the case, Steve Guy, that's not the case. The case is the same son of a bitches win every year.
Yeah, well, I'll try to...
That's what they're saying. Because I got their number, I got your number from these guys. They said, hey, Steve Guy, give this guy a call and see what he says. And so I thought, well, hell, I'll call him up. I'm not afraid to talk to the guy. I'll ask him square out deal, ask him if he's a liar or tell the truth.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't pick the awards, so I don't look at no list from last year.
Right. Now, if I came to that car show, let me ask you this. What kind of cars show up over there? Are we talking like brand new cars off the showroom floor? People thinking they're going to win trophies with a brand new car? Is that the kind of action going on over there?
I'm sorry.
There's a couple, like, we welcome everybody. Mostly muscle cars and 50s, 40s.
Okay, so what's the classifications that you got? What kind of classification?
You can bring it however you want, and you're likely to...
What classes what I'm saying is, what classes do you got? You got like 70 through 73 muscle car? Do you got foreign vehicles? What is the classes you got? Is there a website that I could get on and look at that? Because I got to travel like 289 miles to get there.
If you show up here with a good attitude and just have a good time, I promise you that.
Now, do you got any vendors going on? You got like a swap meet or something, or possibly some kind of entertainment, or do you got 50-50 drawings, or what's up on that?
The city has the community day thing going on. It's like the town festival, so there's stuff for kids, a lot of food.
Now, are we going to have any 50-50 drawings or anything? Anybody going to win any money?
I usually have a raffle there, but I honestly don't organize the entire thing.
Okay.
I'm just at the car show.
So what's your deal over there? You're just doing the car show action over there.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let me do this, buddy. Let me do this. Let me think about it. Now, can I pay when I get there? Do I have to do this online, or?
You do. As you get there, you just go to the registration booth as you pull your car.
Well, let me do this. Let me think about it. And then when I get there, I'll go ahead, and if I get there, if I do, then I'll go ahead and pay my $20. And hopefully I might win something. You just never know.
I'm sorry.
Like I said, a lot of people are talking and squawking, saying this is a rigged car show and you shouldn't go just for that reason. That's what they're talking about, buddy.
Well, they sound a little sour because it's a trophy.
Okay. What kind of trophies are you giving away?
They're all handmade.
I see.
We make them every year.
Rat Rod Car Show trophies out of like what? Out of flywheels and camshafts and piston rods and
old car parts.
Right.
Old car parts.
Okay.
And, I don't know. They're always unique and different.
How many trophies are we looking at? How many trophies are we going?
Like 20.
About 20. Yeah.
We'll have at least 20.
Are you giving anything away on a raffle? Maybe raffle stuff or no?
I don't. We're low on we're pinching the budget this year, trying to get a band. So I don't know what we'll do.
Maybe what you ought to do, just get a boombox and play some 50s music like all the other ones did.
Oh yeah.
That might work, partner.
They're playing music all day.
Okay. Well, let me do this. Let me let you go. And I'll think about it. I'm going to talk to these 4 guys and see if they're, like you were saying, a little bit sour.
I'm sorry.
But I wouldn't expect them to show up, because let me just tell you this, between you and me, they don't like that Corvette guy. They say that Corvette guy, he's an arrogant son of a bitch. Thinks he's Mr. Hot Dog son of... You liked it. I'm sorry, what was that? You broke up.
I said he's a good client of mine. I've built a couple cars for him.
So that might be why he's winning all this. So that's why he's winning all them trophies. He's a good client. Got it. Okay.
Good clients of mine.
Okay, well, let me do this, because you do know the guy. Is that right?
I think it's black with a red interior.
Okay, I gotta go, buddy. My other line's ringing. Let me do this. I'll let you know if I come down there. I'll call you back, buddy. Thank you.
Run my horsey, baby. Rock it.
Well, you just heard it from the horse's mouth. You just heard what he said. He said it's a not rigged car show, and if you want to go to the car show and you don't win a trophy, don't blame him for it. He's not the one that hands the trophies out. He's just the guy that has to put it on, is all he did. He said he's on a budget. There ain't going to be no raffles. There ain't going to be nothing. It's just a car show. It's just a daily driver Sunday car show. Pay your $20, sit in the sun, 120-degree weather out there, and sweat like a dog between your armpits and think you're going to win a trophy, and then in the end you don't win nothing, and that's just the way it is. It's just a situation that says, hell yeah, it's a rigged deal. I don't know if it's rigged, but maybe it's rigged. The Corvette guy doesn't think it's rigged, but hell, he's the one winning all the trophies. You heard the guy. What's going on with that? Well, this is Steve Guy. We're going to let you go. Steve Guy right here, guitar player. Hold on 1 minute. Now, you're going to learn that. Just give me some PayPal money. Bring it my way. And I'm going to... Oh, God. I'm going to show you the best guitar action you'll ever know. Right there. Steve Guy, right here. Getting all the answers to everything you need, including car shows, you son of a bitch. Yeah. Woo. Watch it. What? I'm going to show you how to do this. You take this finger here, and then you stretch that one out all the way down to... that's it right there. I gotta go.
I'm the guitar player. Did you hear that? Did you see what I just watched?